What's up, guys? Well, we are at Cajon Creek. Check it out. This is where we're going. All we're doing today is panning. We're gonna pan for gold. My brother said it. In the car. Look at this is where we're at. Yeah, I got two right here. But check it out. There's the stream right there. So the goal today, we're just gonna be walking down Cajon Creek, which is we're at Blue Cut. It's called Blue Cut. I don't know where's some blue at. See I don't know if you could tell on camera, but it's blue, kind of like a greenish blue. Supposedly that's where they used to find gold. Alright guys, we're going down the hill. Hiking. We're hiking it. Put this like that. Here we go. Not too bad. Pretty steep. As long as I don't hit none of that. What's that stuff called? Itchy weed? Poison oak? Oh yeah, it'd be poison oak, huh? Poison oak. This is poison oak? Yep. This right here?
Yep.
Oh. I don't even know what it is. I sure don't want to touch any of it. There's like careful of some of these rocks, don't move and watch for snakes. The rattlers are out. Oh, here's something. Something's here. I wonder what that is. Oh, yikes. Wow. We're hiking now for sure. Wonder how all this rock got here. Look at, there's a pan right there. My boots, got my boots on. Whoa, careful. Careful. Oh. And we made it. We made it. Here we are. Check it out. Pretty cool. The water is actually flowing pretty good, huh? Just remember where we came down. Just remember where we came down. See, there'd be probably stuff right here behind this rock. Or all through here. Or in there. We're exploring Cajon Creek. All right, guys, let me show you what I brought. I brought this little cheap China-made shovel with the compass that probably is wrong, and a pan. That's all I got. This is all I got, and my drone and my backpack. But check it out, look at this. I'm not gonna crevice, but it would be pretty cool to crevice here. But see all this right here? I'm actually gonna dig. I'm probably gonna dig on this gravel bar in random spots. And hopefully I find something. Look at how this all built up right here. Maybe I'll move some of that rock and see if I find anything. This seemed to be all built up right here, so maybe there's something here. But yeah, let's see what we got. Or let's see what I find. Maybe I could set you guys up to where you guys could watch for a little bit. Let me see here. I'll put it right there. I don't know if it's capturing everything, but we'll try. Let me show you this frog. Check out the frog. Look at him. Frog. Yeah. 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 Well, so far no luck. No gold or nothing. So, let's see. I'm gonna keep digging a little bit more. See if I find anything else. Sure, there has to be a spec or something here. Let's check it out. Let me plug this in. Well, I'm not gonna lie, it is pretty hot out. I'm gonna have to set this up in the shade, but put it right here for now. Let's see if we could capture something over there.
Do you remember how you held me then? Now you got me reaching out. And do you see you got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the do you see? You got me falling in more times than I can get out. Down in the deep of my mind, I crawl for you and you're always inside. Down in the deep of
Well, we didn't find nothing. What is it? Oh yeah, that's what you needed. Well guys, we didn't find nothing. But still a pretty fun experience. Once again, we are at Blue Cut in Cajon Creek, where everyone throws their trash. Look at all that trash. Pick up your trash. Well, it's not funny, but they need to pick up their trash. People drop off their oil. Well, that's another day looking for gold. California gold. Here's the car. Well guys, I made it to the Newport Beach, but I'm on a jetty. Check it out. Let me show you guys. Look at this. I'm gonna try to walk all the way down to the end. Look at that. Beautiful out today. That's how far I came. There's the beach.
I'm a broken home. I gave you all the bricks that I own and know. I'm letting go. I'm breaking these walls down, breaking these walls down. If you want adventure, then fly to home. But if you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know? Yeah, if you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go. I'm tired of the pain. Go away. I'm tired with yesterday. My demons dwell, my own little nightmare, I call it hell. Oh well, it's time to get back up, climbing and climbing. I'm done with this ride, is what I tell myself, so I could feel something else. Yeah, I guess I had my bad days, but it doesn't mean I lost myself. Darling, where were you when my heart was on the ground? I thought time would prove that you would stick around. I guess time stood still, a king without his crown. Now I'm breaking and you're faking, girl. You never made us out.
Look how green these hills are.